Fingers in the ears.
Let's get it.
All right, in your own time. Baldy, come here, come here, come here, come. All of them? I don't think so. One, two, three, four. Tell you what, let's see if it's in there.
Whoa.
1, 2, 3, 4 balloons to stop a slug of a 44 Magnum. Let's have a look at that again in slow-mo. The bullet enters the fourth balloon, but it loses so much velocity that it just can't get through the far side and bounces back inside the balloon. Right, so why? How come? All right, it's all to do with density, okay? As soon as the bullet leaves the gun, it starts slowing down because it's got to cut through the air. And then all of a sudden, this bullet, which is prepared to go for miles and miles and miles, bumps into balloon number 1, which is full of water. Now, the thing about water is super dense. It takes out so much energy from that bullet, it slows it down. It's like trying to run through a swimming pool. It's so hard. Yep. Whereas you can just run through air, no worries, right?
Right.
We have a winner in the house.